bubbles, crack, cash, plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Then the bubbles josh, crash, crash. Stop, pop, 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 up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Ricky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play. Five spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Bent, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, Bent, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Three spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop this spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, Great, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, Today, let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.